I'm on page 13 of our sample assessment, the Grays Office Stores, task 13. Here we need to document evidence of everything that we've done. So in the first box, we need to provide 2 printouts. One, which is a document showing all transactions with each customer during June 2020. And the second one, a document showing the balance owed by each customer as at the 30th of June. We must make sure that the customer's name and code are shown on each report. So the first one is our customer, so we'll click customer and reports. The first report that I want is customer activity. And we want customer activity detailed. Remember, we never touch the first column, only the middle and the end. So from the first customer to the last customer, from the first of the month to the last of the month. When you're done, click OK. So this one will show us the customer's account number and name and each transaction our customers have done. When we're done, we'll click Export and we'll put it in the same folder where we saved evidence 5 and 6. Here we're going to call it evidence 1A dash your name dash your AAT number and save. When you're done, close that down. The next report we want is how much is owed by each customer, so age debtors, and we always want age debtors detailed. Again, first customer to the last customer, from the first of the month to the last of the month. And we want to export that, and we're going to call it 1B with your name and AAT number. When we've done that, we close it down and close it down. The next one is about our suppliers. Exactly the same printouts, but for our suppliers. So we'll go Supplier, Reports, Supplier Activity, and find the one that says Supplier Activity Detailed. Don't touch the first column. In the middle column, first supplier to the last supplier, first of the month to the last of the month. And then we'll export that, calling it 2A with your name and AAT number. The next report we want is our age creditors. Remember, it's always detailed. First supplier to the last supplier, first of the month to the last of the month. And then export that. And we'll call it evidence 2B with your name and AAT number. We now want an audit trail. So an audit trail, while we're using this practice one, is in transactions and then audit trail. Always go for detailed. Run. First of the month to the last of the month. Do not touch anything else. Click OK. And this will basically give you a breakdown of every transaction that you've done. Export it. And we will call that evidence 3. And save. The next report is our trial balance. So we'll go to nominal codes and trial. Always preview and run. If you saved it the way I taught you, drop down, scroll to the top, and you will find June. OK. There's your trial balance. And then check you've got the same balance as me. Export and we will call this one Evidence 4 with your name and AAT number. Evidence 5 we did when we did the reoccurring entry, and evidence 6 is your reconciliation screen. But you must make sure that all these reports are in the same folder so that when we go to upload it, it's easier to process. When you're done, close it down, and there we have it. Task 13 is now complete.